Ayan ang aking monggo. So now we gotta go harvest some moringa leaves. Ayan, mag-harvest tayo ng malunggay leaves kasi nagluto ako ng munggo. Ayan, moringa is getting taller. So I'm gonna cut this from here. Ayan. Harvest time! Ayan, oh, fresh from my tree. Moringa leaves. Ayan, oh, ating malunggay. Malunggay for today. With mongo and kalabasa. Happy 4th of July! Ayan, naggisa tayo ng shrimp with garlic onion. For my mongo. Ayan. Oh. So now I'm gonna add the mongo. Oh, it's like that, my own version. Later na ang malunggay. Salt, pepper, ayan. So now we're gonna add the moringa leaves. Ayan, daming malunggay leaves. Just like that. Turn the heat off. Yan ang aking overload mongo. Let's eat. Yummy.